Where to find the best sites. Legal and paralegal careers. Howdy. The best internet resources about sharpening problems with a saw blade. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about sharpening problems with a saw blade is www.smokestack.com. See the page titled Sharpening Buzzsaw Blades, Smokestack. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.toolcrib.com, especially the page DIY Carbide Saw Blade Sharpening plus 4-blade Sharpening. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.harborfreight.com. The web page Circular Saw Blade Sharpener, Harbor Freight Tools. This is the link.